na ambassador at kauupo lang na deputy spokesperson ng Chinese Embassy at naglalabas sila ng official statement from the Chinese Embassy dito sa Manila, dito sa ating mga government official. Sa dito, inatake nila si Commodore J. Tariela, Senator D. Ontiveros, even Laila de Lima, si Ronald Llamas, inatake din nila. And another issue na ginawa nila na talagang, sabi ko, talaga may superiority complex tong China is when they called the ambassador of the Philippines sa Beijing to report to the capital. Pero tayo, anong ginawa natin? DFA issued 14-day free visa sa mga Chinese people and hindi natin pinatawag ang ambassador ng China sa Manila. What is your reaction for this whole conundrum?
No, that's very unfair. Ay, itong itong DFA, binigyan na kayo ng, free visa access tapos diyan yung gagawin niyo. Naku naman. Tsaka hindi naman namin pinatawad yung, ambassador niyo ng China diyan sa Manila. Eh, and also, okey, I agree na mukhang meron silang superiority complex, kasi na ng mga DDS. Ayos na may mga superiority complex, makakala mo kung sino.
Mm. Do you think, I think my question to you specifically,
Okey,
do you
okey.
think that tama yung ginawa ng DFA natin to not call the ambassador of China sa Pilipinas even if China requested for our ambassador in Beijing?
Diyan ako medyo ano, ayun, nadismaya ng onti. Pero ngayon, this is a high time na ipatawag na yung Chinese ambassador sa Manila. High time na 'to kasi sumosobra na 'tong, China, nagmamalabis na talaga, yung nag-o-over the line na, o beyond the limit na yung ginagawa nila.
Yeah, and also another thing na gusto ko itanong sa'yo, talking about Commodore J. Tariela ng
Oo,
Philippine Coast Guard,
okey.
the embassy, the Chinese embassy sa Manila, they are saying na dapat hindi daw ginagawa yung ganong satire na ginawa ni Commodore Tariela kasi daw he is deliberately attacking the president of China. And knowing na alam naman natin, this is not even the first time that China make satire towards President Bongbong Marcos or
Yes,
any government official sa Pilipinas. Tingin mo ba may hypocrisy dito sa embassy ng China to say these words knowing na hindi naman ito first time? And also, remember, there is no freedom of expression sa China. They don't have any reason or any rights to say what a Filipino can do within our sovereign land. So what's your reaction about this? Mhm. Kumbaga meron din sila attire against us. It's like they're not coming off, they're not in hands.
yes, 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 oo. At ito, supported by their, own ally which is the DDS, something satirical, against, PBBM and other, government official like, Commodore J. Ayala. So,
Mm.
therefore, di po sila pasok sa, tinatawag na enhanced doctrine. So, they must, look at their face first and the mayor.